This is how you operate a Cummins 2500 watt generator. This 2500 watt generator is going to be perfect for any unit that you're not going to be using your air conditioning for. This is going to be great for fall, winter, springtime camping when it's nice and cool out. So you're going to have three controls here. It's going to be your off, run, and choke. To start this unit, turn this all the way over to choke. Typically, it's about 3 to 4 pulls to start. And then once this unit is running, turn this back to run. And then you can adjust your eco mode. If your generator does not start after 3 to 4 pulls on the choke, put it back to run and try 1 or 2 more pulls. If that doesn't start, check your gas. Make sure you got enough gas in this guy. Otherwise, call an associate with GoGo Rental. So you do have 2 110 plugs here. You can plug in anything 110. Down here, there's going to be a little red button. It'll say reset. That's going to be if you overload your circuit. You won't be getting any power to whatever you're going to be powering. You just hit that red button and it'll reset all the systems on there. Right here, you do have an eco switch. All that's going to do is make your generator run a little bit quieter and a little bit more fuel efficient. You do have a screen down below, which is going to have your fuel and your voltage that you're going to be outputting. You do have runtime on there for fuel as well. It'll cycle through all those. Gas fill is going to be up on top. It's going to be ran off a 91 octane. You can refill, just take this cap off and put your gas can right into there.